Alright, very quickly, I'll be showing you how I'm going to design thumbnail for my YouTube video, and then I'm going to use this very simple software to do that, and it is actually free. I have some of my videos here that doesn't have uh tumbling, and you know that tumbling is very very much important. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Oh, so the topic that I wanted to create a thumbnail for is how to add tag into your YouTube channel. So I'm gonna show you how I actually got to that. So I'm going to use a video editor. Yeah, I'm gonna use a video editor in order to create that thumbnail, and then it's a powerful one, and the editor is CapCut. So, and before you actually use CapCut, there is this what is it called, this method I use. If you want to design a thumbnail, the very first thing you have to note is that the topic, you have to actually let your viewers to see the thumbnail, that is what you're about to talk about. So so the topic actually says how to have tag. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to go to my Chrome browser, and then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go and download a YouTube logo. We are talking about something, so I need to download that YouTube logo because it's very important. So I'm going to actually click on this place, and then I'm gonna say download YouTube logo. So it's course gonna search, and then you make sure you download or click on image, and I think I'm gonna prefer this. Okay, if I can see black one, I will surely love that. Okay, I've seen something like this, so I'm going to click on download image, and then of course it will have download. So I'm going to go back to my YouTube, my CapCut rather. So as I get to CapCut, I'm going to load it opened. You wait. So I'm gonna click on new project, and come to photos. Gonna click on this, and then I'm gonna click on create video. So here it is, and then quickly I'm going to come down to ratio, 16:9, and gonna come back to this place. I say it's black, so I'll prefer it like this. So just put, I hold it and I put it here. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to come to text, and then there are text templates on this software that you can actually use, and it's not gonna waste your time. You don't need to have any graphic skill to get that. So I'm gonna click this. Could you see? So you can try to reduce it here. So now just click on each image, each text rather. So I'm going to say design, or let me use capital. design catchy tumbling. Okay, let me try to control, let me take it back again. So I undo it. I'm gonna say thumbnail. Okay, design catchy tumbling. So I'm going to come back again to text, and this time around I'm going to click on add text. So I'll bring it down and I'll say on for YouTube, for YouTube. So yeah, it is. I'm okay with the black design, and that is actually okay by me. So that is it. So once you are done, what you're gonna do is that this is actually a video editor, and you cannot save as JPEG or picture, though there is an advanced part of CapCut that can actually do that. Of course, we are not gonna cover it in this video. You can request for it. What I'm gonna do is that you are going to screenshot your phone. So I've done that. So you're going to go back to the screenshots, and then you crop it down to this 16:9, and then you do what? You save. So by the time you save, it would have saved on your system. You will now go back to File Manager in order to see the thumbnail that we have actually designed. So here it is. So in the very next video, I'm gonna show you how you can upload this particular thumbnail that you have designed, how you can upload it on that, how you can change the thumbnail. So check out the next video, and if you got some questions you can actually ask. So I'm gonna see you in the next video.